blue, then the sky blue, then the pink,
Just thinking about
and
that.
then this moss,
it's so
really cool
soft
moss.
By the way, the kinetic
Oh.
sand is really good feeling. It feels so soft.
Yeah.
Dad, feel it. Feel it. It's like this is the best feeling kinetic sand.
That is so neat. Yeah. There it
It's
goes.
very neat. It's going to be very pretty.
I just had to flip the batteries around. Look at that. That's really cool.
And the remote, you can
LED light, change the colors to red. It works great. Red,
Ooh, that's
purple.
pretty. That's pretty.
Yeah, all the different shades. Blue, green,
Yeah,
different shades of green.
I can mix these
Red.
too.
That's so cool. And you can even have it on a timer. Look, it says it's on a timer.
Is it a timer?
Yeah. And the brightness, you can make it go brighter or more or dim.
And I can turn it off and on, of course.
Awesome. They've thought of everything. Okay. So,
Put
we're
in
going to
this
get
in.
to work. Are you ready? So here is the finished product. She did an amazing job decorating this unicorn terrarium kit. 3 different layers of magnetic magic sand. We've got these mushrooms and jewels, the unicorn, the castle. Let's hold it up really nice and close right here. You can see, look at that magical. And then with the remote control, look what happens.
It's on.
There we go.
There
Now
we
it's on.
go.
There we go. Now go ahead and change the colors. Look at that. Ooh, so neat. Look at that. So this is a quick review demonstration. Would you give this a thumbs up, Everlyn?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Really cool. Thanks for watching this review. Friends, we want to give you a quick review and demonstration of this really cool light up terrarium kit.
DIY.
Yeah, do it yourself. And it's really colorful. As you can see, it's got a lot of really interesting things inside the box. So it says on the outside, you got an acrylic jar with a cork top, magic sand, an LED light with remote control, little stones for decoration, double-sided tape, dinosaur, preserved moss, decorative accessories, grass cover, or on this side, the unicorn terrarium package, which is what we're gonna see inside. It comes with unicorn stuff and preserved moss and decorative accessories and gemstones. Let's go take a look. You ready?
You can also get a dinosaur terrarium kit.
But let's see what's inside this one.
So here are the instructions. You always need these.
Yep.
And then here's the bowl with all
So
the
this
stuff.
gives the unicorn and the dinosaur instructions here. Also, on WhatsApp, they give you a QR code to go into their WhatsApp chat and ask questions. And there's a website you can scan and view for making tutorials and DIY ideas. All right, wow, look at all that.
So first we have our remote and our little light that we probably
That
put
is
in
so cool.
this little hole right here.
Yep, yeah.
Then some decorations like the mushroom,
Oh, that's so
a rainbow,
cool.
some jewels that you
So
can
this
put
is the
in.
unicorn training kit, not the dinosaur one, but both look really cool.
Ooh, some kind of grass. Blue.
All right,
It feels
so right
so
here,
cool.
we're gonna pull out this battery protective sleeve right here, and then this should work. Turn it on.
Then we have a
Pop those
castle.
out.
It's so pretty.
Whoop.
Then we have 3 things of kinetic sand. I wish I could just play with these. They look so cool.
I think I did that right.
I think they're really stretchy.
Really cool. Wow, look at that. Magic sand,
Kinetic sand.
kinetic sand.
So I think we have to put in the kinetic sand first. Does it say that?
So, if we look at the instructions here, we've got light up your new magical world. Really nice, little cute castle. So, it says pour the blue sand in, or the purple sand, flatten it around the edges, then the sky blue sand, so the darker blue